Look at the toothpaste, making it look like I had a better morning than I actually did. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the reverse makeup challenge or backwards makeup challenge. You pretty much do your last step first, your first step last. I don't know what this is gonna look like. I'm scared, but let's just jump right into this. Everyone else was smart and used their primer and setting spray all in one, but since a bitch doesn't have that, we're gonna set our face, I'm gonna set this using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, makeup setting spray. So this is what I would do last. So here goes it. And the look is complete. Just gonna fan off that perfection. My last step is always my lips. I'm just gonna go in with the Kylie matte liquid lipstick in the shade Candy K. And usually I'd have lip liner on already.
Hey y'all.
I'm just gonna line my lips now, because like I said, I usually would do that first when it comes to the lips. Okay, and then I'm just gonna try just to blend that in a little bit. And then I go ahead and I always just draw like a little divot just so that it makes my lips look pillowy. You see what I mean? Do you see what I'm saying? I'm looking like a chola. All right, so I usually do my blush and highlighter last. I'm about to really look sexy. This is just the Too Faced Love Flush and Your Love is King. Just gonna take that. Usually I would know right where to put it just because my contour would be on, so I'm kind of going off of memory. And the look would kind of all be done, so I would know like how subtle or not subtle to do it. I mean, as you can tell, I'm going pretty subtle thus far. I'm Krusty the Clown. For highlighter, I'm just taking this Fenty Beauty highlighter. It is the Kilowatt in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. About to be looking real fire here. Okay, taking some of that. Yes, Riri, come through. I've been so dry. Haven't had sex in like 3 or 4 weeks maybe now, you know? That when I said Riri, I thought of Wee Wee and like missed it a little bit. Yes. Oh my God, bitch, you are so fierce. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply mascara. Wait, no. Okay, wait, yeah, I can do it to the bottom lash line, right? But I can't do it to my top lash line because I do eyelashes after. So I have to do the lashes before. We're getting smart. Guys, I'm getting that all over my eye. Beauty Guru of the Year. Oh my God. I used the Climax mascara. Still haven't climaxed. It's been a drought. Okay. For lashes, these are just the Kiss lashes in Demi Wispies in the 01. It just comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count Mia. I dropped the lash. We're going for it. We're in there. Oh fuck. Looks natural, something I'm not. I'm gonna just apply some mascara. All right, we're getting sexier here. We're getting sexier. All right, you know what? I am gonna kick ass at this. I'm really not, but this is me giving myself a pep talk. I'm taking my liquid liner. I'm just gonna fill in that little area right there. Oh, you know what? I already messed up because I always do my lower lash line last, so that should have been first. This is fucking confusing, y'all. I'm a liar. I'm a cheat. I cheat on my makeup, but I don't cheat in relationships. So if you want a loyal girlfriend like me, holla. Because I don't have like anything on my eyes, It's it's bleeding everywhere because my eyes are so oily, my lids. Yo, what kind of winged liner is that? Tell me, someone, anybody? So yeah, let's just go in. I'm going in with what's that called? The Mary Luminizer highlight, just on me good old brow bone. Oh my God, I'm getting like flashbacks to like high school when my eyebrows looked like this and we didn't fill our eyebrows in, and like, I need water. I just want to do like the look that I always basically do like on weekends and such. It's just like a smoky eye with a little bit of shimmer. I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna go in with this color first as our transition shade. Oh my God, it's much more pigmented, like without a primer. Okay. So I'm just gonna blend that out. Next shade I'm going in is, I think it's gonna be this guy right here. I'm just gonna actually pop that into the actual crease. Say a prayer. I'm trying to not get it on the liner, but I mean, we can always touch that up, but this is just not, oh my God. If I had to do my makeup like this every day, I wouldn't do it. Ew. I'm just looking at like how oily my skin is, and I'm just like, gag. Next, I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna use it as like the whole entire lid color. And it's getting on the fucking winged eyeliner. It's diffusing my terrible Cleopatra line. I worked hard on that. All right, so this is the Stila Glitter, Liquid Glitter in Kitten Karma. I'm gonna go ahead and start from my tear duct. And I'm gonna go like halfway. And since I'm feeling like extra sassy, I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner. This is in the shade Crystal Silk. And I'm just going to draw right above this to kind of, see, I already fucked up, to kind of carve that out. Since all of the glitter is basically dried, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade again, and I'm just gonna diffuse where the glitter ends and the shadow, where the glitter meets the shadow, just so that, just taking it lightly on the brush and going like that, just so that it's not like a harsh line right where the glitter stops. All right, and then I'm gonna darken up the outer corner a little bit. This is where it's gonna get fun because I have liner on already. I'm gonna take this color, I think right here, this brown. I'm just dabbing real lightly, and then I'm gonna just, I'm just gonna blend that all out when I'm done. Y'all, could be worse, right? Yeah. Oh, look at the glass. Look at the glass half full today. And then for some inner tear duct highlight, I'm just gonna take that same Mary Luminizer. Guys, I feel like it might come together a little bit. I'm gonna take this, just a black eyeliner that I have, and I'm gonna line my tight line and my water line. And then I'm gonna start smoking out the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna add some shadow now to the lower lash line. And I think I'm just gonna take this color right here. It's kind of a plummy brown maroonish color. Just gonna take it on a little flat shader brush and grab my mirror, because that would help immensely. Start smoking out the lower lash line. I'm still crying at the wings. Other than the wings, the eye look does not look bad. I'm just taking another blending brush here. This is the Morphe M506, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke that out. Can't wait to actually do this for real sometime before I go out. Fuck no, I will never do that. That was a complete and utter joke. Concealer is next underneath the eyes. I'm gonna go in, if I color correct first. Yeah, see, I don't know how people can do this because I already got it. Where? This is no bueno. It's just a brightener. Going in with concealer. This is my Kylie concealer. I guess I could not be a moron and try to actually not get it into the shadow, but yeah, this is so weird to do this backwards like this. Because usually I would have my nose contour, so I would know where to bring the concealer in to. Next, I'm taking my Kat Von D Lock-It brightening powder just to set that. Just gonna dip my beauty blender in there. Completely does not look right. Well, we have a lovely array of color here though. Look at this. Beautiful. It should not look like that, but it's still nonetheless beautiful. That's what I say to myself every morning when I look in the mirror. It shouldn't look like that, but it's still beautiful. Okay, next I believe is brows. So my last step with my eyebrows would usually be cutting them so that it's sharper, but I guess that's my first step here. Makes absolutely no sense because I don't know where my brow shape is gonna be. I just screw everything up now. Everything I done did and worked so hard for, so hard on. I'm gonna take my eyebrow gel because I would do that second to last. Okay. The end's a little wonky, but I'm just gonna sweep this through a little bit. Oh, this one's still wet. The brow gel, oh well. The areas that I just highlight is like this. And then it's so weird because I don't have foundation on. Then I'm gonna contour with this Kim K contour stick, and it's in the shade Light Medium. So, is that too much? I'll do my nose. I do go down and give myself a beard, a Beijing, if you will. More tedious than it should be. I'm trying to like be perfect with this and actually have this look hella good, but I just think I need to accept the fact that this is like a joke. I'm gonna start blending. Well, you know what? I never do this, but since I'm not using powder, because usually I would bake underneath my contour line, I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer under that. I'll do the same thing, because I always do alongside the nose. I don't really know the purpose of what the concealer is gonna do rather than the powder. But you know, here we are. We're doing it. We're doing our thing. Now I'm gonna start blending out the contour. Should have blended out the contour first and then the concealer, because you see what the fuck just happened there. But you know, we weren't thinking. Let's go back. I look like a Neapolitan ice cream. Blend it down here. I look like a science project. I'm blending this down, trying to make this look as good as possible. I'm gonna get rid of that concealer first. Guys, what does it look like it's on my nose? I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, okay, you said you're on a dry spell and now you're drawing dicks on your nose. Do we need to call help for you? It's the Mary Luminizer again. Yeah, I'm not really feeling the nose because it's not as pinched as I would like it to be. All right, so I'm gonna take my foundation. It's not gonna match my neck either, probably, because I'm starting to scrub off my self-tan so I can reapply it for this Thursday. So I'm just gonna lightly. Okay. All right, wish me luck. And now, I mean, I would always prime my face first. Oh yeah, we're smoothing out all those fine lines and pores. Can you guys like see like what it looks like though? Oh my God, it's so gross. I can't wait to wash my face. And there's like no coverage in this area where my big old zit is. Can you see how bad that made my skin look? Look. God dang. All right, guys, so this is the completed look. That's a no from me, dog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tag everyone who would like to do this. If you watch my channel and have a channel of your own, please feel free to do this challenge. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay Bella. Mwah. Bye, guys.